Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into creating a personalized study tracker in Notion. First things first, open up Notion and create a new page. This will be the foundation for your study tracker. You might wonder why we're using Notion. Well, Notion's flexibility allows you to customize your tracker exactly how you need it. Now that we've done that, let's add a table. Simply click on the plus button and select Table. We add a table because it helps us organize our study materials efficiently. You can label the columns as subject, study hours, topics covered, and so on. Next up, let's customize this table. Click on the title of each column and select the appropriate property type. For study hours, you might want to choose number. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of how much time we're spending on each subject. Now, let's understand what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is essentially creating a database for you. It's storing all your study information in one place, making it easier for you to access and update as you progress through your studies. Finally, let's add some data. Click on the plus button at the bottom of each column and start adding your study details. The reason we do this is to start tracking our study progress immediately, making sure we stay on top of our academic goals. And there you have it, a personalized study tracker in Notion. This is a flexible and efficient way to manage your study time and keep track of your progress. Remember, the key to effective study is organization, and this tracker is a great tool to help you with that. Thanks for the watch, and happy studying.